Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I have for you Missha Haul. So if you're curious what's inside, then keep on watching. Missha, it's a Korean brand which is widely popular and even available because you can easily buy them online and even in the physical locations. But in here I have few orders which they took a while for me to get because 2 months, it is a long time. I do use this brand previously and I do enjoy it. And what should I start with? Okay, I'm gonna start with their Super Aqua Ampoule. This is my repurchase and this is my empty. And yes, it comes in a clear glass bottle. What is it? It's a Snail ampoule which restores your skin barrier. So in case if it's really damaged, this product is gonna really help her out. Improve skin's ability to retain moisture and provides radiance for creating hydrated and healthy skin. Obviously I use it up, meaning I did like it. And yes, this is my brand new one, so I can pour it into use. If you are not into snails, I have their Pollen ampoule as well. I have small samples previously and I did enjoy it, so I decided to invest in the full size. So let's say if you're not into snails, you can easily go with the bee venom. Bee pollen, but you be careful because in case if you are allergic to bees, just skip it. That's the small sample which I have previously, and that's the big size. So yes, I'm gonna have it for a while. What does it do? Restoring serum for damaged skin. So like I told you previously, you can go with either or. They both come in glass bottles. And you're getting, for this Snail, you're getting 30 ml. For the bee pollen, it's 40. So yes, it's a little bit bigger. A while ago, I received a sample of their Super Aqua Ultra Waterful Cream, which I did enjoy it. So it was like a thicker version of this one. And I know recently they come up with few different items. So I bought one of their products, Super Aqua 10 Hyaluronic Acid Bulk Cream Original. So I thought it's this, but no, this is totally different item, and this one has a 10 different variation of hyaluronic acid, which I'm fine with because right now we have a winter time, so I need as much hydration as I can get. And then since so many brands come up with vitamin C serums, Missha, they come up with one as well. So in here I have their, ooh, look at that. I have their 10% vitamin C. That's a neat package. And it's spot correcting concentrate. 10% pure vitamin C. Okay, so once I'm finished with the one which I'm using, or I should say the one which is in my bathroom, I'm gonna start using this. And then they were, let's say, having some kind of a promotion because here's few orders. I have few items for free. So let's say if you spend $45, you're getting, I think it was 3 sheet masks. If you spend, I think 65, you're having a small essence. Then 95, there's something else, and 125, there's another item. As my free item, I received the first treatment mist. What is it? If you're familiar with the SK2 toner, this is Missha's take on it. However, this one is with a mist, which is nice, so then I can just spray it on and keep going. So I have 2 of those, and then I have their set Time Revolution bestseller. Besides single product, yes, they do have sets. Holidays is the best time to get it because you're getting full size of items in a set, which will cost you cheaper than if you will buy them by themselves. So in here it's this item but in a regular bottle, so no, it doesn't have a spray, but guess what, that's the big item in a glass bottle. You have their small size of it, and then that's their Night Repair. So this is similar to, or I should say, this is the take on the advanced Night Repair, but that's the updated version because the other one was coming in a purple container. This one, it's more of a pinkish. So we're having 5 ounce and then 1.7 ounce. First treatment essence, which is the, let's call it equivalent to the SK2, but because that item is so popular, they have many different versions. That's the same thing, but Artemisia treatment essence double fermented. Let me see if I can open it. This is a more potent version, so yes, it's from the same family, but it's a little bit upgraded. And what does it say? Double fermented Artemisia help soothe and moisture skin for hydrated and translucent skin. Okay. Oh yeah, and so you have to pour either on your hand or on the cotton pad. The last item is their holiday set, which has 3 of their best sellers, and it was a really good deal because you're getting 3 items, and I think this was for like $50 something. If you're gonna add it, it's over 150. So pretty much for $50 you're getting all those items, which in reality you will pay triple of the price. So you get is the full size of their essence, then you have full size, or should say 50 ml of their night repair, and big size of their Snail cream, which used to come in a yellow container, or should say something like this, but they changed the package, let's say in a clear jar. So I have already one of those in bathroom, and yes, I do like it. It has a jelly consistency, and that's from the same range. Then you already saw this one, so in case if you're not sure about buying the advanced nail repair, or if you cannot afford at that moment, this one it's worth trying out, and that's the SK2 alternative. And since now I have so many new products to try, for sure I'm gonna give them a go. That was my Missha haul. Some of the items are new, some are new purchases for me. I'm gonna use them for a little bit, and then I'm gonna make a separate video and let you know what I think about them. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.